Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the mystery surrounding unidentified aerial phenomena, or unidentified aerial phenomenons, a topic that has captured the attention of scientists and governments alike. In recent years, military pilots have reported numerous sightings of strange objects in the sky, sparking curiosity and debate. These aren't your typical flying saucer tales, instead, they're part of a serious scientific inquiry. Since 2022, NASA has taken a keen interest in these phenomena, assembling a team of 16 experts from various scientific and technological fields. Their mission? To explore and understand these mysterious occurrences with fresh perspectives and innovative methods. Leading the charge is Mike Gold, chair of Redwire Space, who emphasizes the importance of gathering and analyzing data objectively. While there's no definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life yet, the quest for understanding continues. The U.S. government, alongside NASA, is committed to uncovering the truth, taking a serious look at previously classified documents. Among these is a report from the Apollo 17 mission in 1972, which intriguingly showed triangular light formations on the Moon. Gold calls this endeavor a process of discovery, a gradual and methodical release of information that seeks to present facts without jumping to conclusions. While some might hope for a revelation of alien intelligence, Gold urges a balanced approach, where the findings could be as ordinary as they are extraordinary. The scientific community is tasked with navigating these new challenges, sifting through data with an open mind. As researchers continue to peel back layers of mystery, the possibility of extraterrestrial life might not be so far-fetched. Yet, as Gold points out, deeper questions remain, questions about our origins and the unexplained phenomena that still baffle scientists. The journey is outgoing, and it's crucial to remain objective and data-focused. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Don't forget to subscribe to Science Hub for more intriguing insights into the world of science.